My senior developer dumped all her code on me until my bug fix fixed her attitude. I, 26F, work as a junior developer at a software company. I joined a year ago full of energy and ready to learn. My senior dev, Mara, was supposed to mentor me. She was respected the go-to person for back-end issues, but instead of teaching me, she started using me. At first, it was small stuff. Hey, can you handle this API update? I'm reviewing something else. Then it became, can you debug this module? The client's waiting, but I've got a meeting. Those meetings were usually coffee breaks or chatting with another team. I didn't complain, I thought maybe this was how I'd prove myself. But after a few months, I realized I was doing my work and hers, and she was getting all the credit. Every sprint review, she presented my commits as hers, my variable names, my logic, my Git commits under her branch. The boss always said, "Great work, Mara, you really stabilized the system," and she'd smirk. It burned, but instead of fighting back immediately, I planned. The next sprint, she asked me to build a backend for a reporting dashboard. You do the code, I'll handle the client presentation. Classic. So I did it, but with a twist. I wrote clean, efficient code and commented everything with my initials. JS, update function. I also pushed all commits under the shared repo, properly timestamped, and kept local backups. A week later, she presented the project my work to the boss and client. Everyone was impressed, but then the client asked for a small update. Can we make the reports filter by region? Simple, right? Except Mara couldn't even open the source files properly. The code was structured, modular, and well-documented things she never did. When the boss asked her to make the change live on the demo, she froze. She mumbled, I'll have to check with the team. That was my moment. I politely said, actually, I can do it right now. I cloned the repo, made the filter live in 2 minutes, and explained the logic clearly. Everyone went silent. The client clapped. My boss turned to me and said, wait, you built this? I nodded, and my boss asked to see the commit history. Every line had my name. Every function was documented with my initials. Mara tried to talk her way out. We collaborated, but it was obvious. After the meeting, she was called into HR. She lost her senior dev title and was moved to a support role. A week later, I was promoted to Software Engineer 2 and given ownership of the dashboard project. The next time she messaged me on Slack, "Hey, can you help me fix this bug?" I replied, "Sorry, I'm busy with my own module. Maybe check the documentation." That's when I realized the sweetest revenge isn't destroying someone, it's outperforming them so completely that their lives collapse under the weight of your skill. Now, when new hires join, the boss introduces me as, "This is Jasmine, the dev who built our analytics core from scratch." And every time Mara hears it, I can see that silent glitch in her smile, the kind no debugger can fix.